In this video, you'll learn how to use check plan in Placker. Usually, when we have a project that is already in execution phase and we want to track if the cards have started and finished behind or ahead of schedule, the planned dates and the actual dates might be very different. In this example, we have a product development board with 6 cards, and the 2 first cards, research and planning, have already been finished, where the planning card was supposed to be finished only 3 days after today. That is, planning card is ahead of schedule. So if we want to compare the planned and actual dates, you can click the card to see planned and actual dates, or you can click check plan and select if you want to show your Gantt chart by planned dates or actual dates, or click show actual dates to see both information on the same chart. By selecting this option, we can see that planning has an actual finish date set to February 12th. To get detailed statistics and make changes on your planned dates based on your actual dates, you can click check plan and select check planning. Then click check planning to update your progress, and you can view your results based on planned status, which will show the planned cards, or progress if you want to see the number of open cards, which we have 4 right now, and completed cards, that are research and planning. We can see that we have 2 cards here that have started early, so we can click this button, and then we will have some options such as move to actual start, in which we will change the planned date to match the actual date. So if you click, look what happens in your Gantt chart to the actual start date. It will automatically be moved. Now the same thing can be done for the completed late cards by clicking complete late and update plan end date time to each of your cards, so they will match the planned dates. By doing this, we have automatically set the planned date to be the same as the actual date for these 2 cards if you want this information to be changed in your Gantt chart. You can also make automatic changes to the dependencies by clicking dependencies, scrolling down, and selecting replan conflicts back to back, or delete all your dependencies. And this is how you use check planning to view and make changes to your planned and actual cards.